Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So I'm doing a swatch from me video for Madame Glam, but I'm having to do a voiceover because it was so noisy in the background. So I will try and keep up with the video. So this is the first colour. So this is this gorgeous red. Oh, it's absolutely stunning. I love it. So this is called Welcome to LV. This is, oh, it's stunning. It's a one coat red. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it so much. Oh, I already have an idea in mind. When I picked these, I kind of knew what I wanted to do with this colour. So yeah, look at it. Oh, it's absolutely stunning. I absolutely love their gel polishes. They just go on so smooth. Oh, they're smooth like a butter. It's absolutely stunning. So as you all know, I do have a discount code for Madame Glam. It's always down in the description box, so you can click the direct link and it will automatically apply my discount code. So I will put this in the lamp and cure it for 30 seconds. So this is the next one. This is Walk of Fame. Give me 1 second about that. So yes, so this is the pink one. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I did apply 2 coats of this one, I think. Yes, I did apply 2 coats, but it's absolutely stunning. Oh, I love it. It's so nice. Oh, it's beautiful. So yeah, as I was saying, the direct link to the Madame Glam website is down in my description box. It always is. If you click that, the discount code is automatically applied. When you check out, you can either sign up for the VIP, which is a monthly subscription. They take the payment directly out of your bank account every month. Oh, this is the last one. This is Fries Before, guys. This is stunning as well. It's like a sunflower yellow. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. Had a bit of hair or something like that. It's absolutely beautiful. So I applied 2 coats of this one as well. So yes, you can check out as guest, or you can sign up for the VIP membership. So yeah, definitely take advantage of that. So yeah, so as I was saying, I applied 2 coats of this one, and I applied 2 coats of the pink. The red I only applied 1 coat. But you could easily get away with these for 1 coat now. It's just these swatch sticks are very long. So these will cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. They also very kindly sent me their velvet matte top coat. I absolutely love this. As most of you know, I do wear a gel overlay on my own nails, and this is absolutely beautiful. I love it on my own nails. So yep, I've had no problems whatsoever, no lifting, no nothing. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh, it feels so nice as well. So I will apply this matte top coat to all of the swatches today, and then I will have pictures at the end. I will have a matte picture and a glossy as well, because I do have their no wipe glossy top coat. When that top coat is cured, it does leave a inhibition layer. Just use some isopropyl alcohol just to wipe it off, and yeah, they are all the swatches there. So let me know your thoughts. Is there one that you want me to use first? If not, then I will just work my way through them. And yeah, I absolutely love these. Thank you so much, Madame Glam, for sending me these out, and I will get some designs done very soon. So I hope everybody enjoyed my quick swatch video today, and yeah, thank you everybody so much for watching today. If not subscribed, please subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.